Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create Moscot logos or creating Moscot gaming logos for free. So let's start our video after an intro.
ये पिज़्ज़ा कैसे लाया? वो डोमिनो वाले का स्कीम है ना कि 30 मिनट में नहीं आया तो फ्री देता है, मैंने उसका कर डाला। मैंने 30 मिनट के बाद आया पिज़्ज़ा। नहीं रे बाबा, वो तो बेचारा 20 मिनट में ही आ गया, लेकिन मैं उसके सामने गया ही नहीं। वो मेरे को इधर उधर ढूंढता रहा और मैं उसके पीछे पीछे घूमता रहा। जैसे 30 मिनट हो गया कि मैं कूदा, ला रे बाबा फ्री ला।
First of all, watch the video till the end carefully, and also motivate me to upload new interesting videos like this by giving a like and following me on Instagram and like my page in Facebook. And if you have any doubts about me and about my channel, please join my Telegram group. All the social links are given below. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new uploaded video. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. First you need PicsArt. You can download it from Play Store also, but it contains ads, and it is not built with premium pack. So for premium PicsArt, simply look in description box. There you will find MediaFire link. Download modded PicsArt from there. Download it and install it. And one thing that I am giving you guys modded PicsArt for free. For this please give me a like and subscribe. Now open Chrome browser and search Placeit. Open the first website shown. It takes you to a new web page where you can make Moscot logos for free. Now click on logo option here. It takes you to a new page. Here you need to enter your name. Click on the box and enter your name. And click on next. Now select the industry as logos all, and click on let's go. It takes you to the selection page. Click on the two boxes here and select the background color that you want. I am selecting black and orange. And scroll down and select the logo that you want. And you can see unlimited logo selections are available here. Select the logo that you like. The reason that I am saying unlimited, because from this website, making logo is very easy. But finding a perfect design is tough. Because our logos are equally best. I will come back after searching a best logo for me. Wait friends.
A few moments later.
This
1 hour later. 2 hours later.
evolution.
The next day.
I am selecting this one. To select the logo, double tap on the logo. It takes you to the edit page. To change the extra text in the logo, change that by clicking on it. And to remove the text, blank the text. I am editing it to official. And click on done to save the edit. Now it is asking for sign up option. So you need to enter your email address. Create a password to sign up. Remember that is not your email password. After entering your details, now accept the terms and conditions by ticking on the boxes here. And click on I am not robot. And click on sign up. To edit the background of the logo, Click on Color option. Select the color to edit which you want. And to edit the main graphic of logo, click on Graphic option and edit the design which you want. Now I am changing the background color, because I don't like this color. The color of the logo is not good, so I am changing it into white. To change, click on Graphic and change the color here. Now simply just take a screenshot of this page. Now open PicsArt and select the screenshot to edit. Select Tools option here. Click on Crop option and crop the logo in 1:1 ratio. Now click on Drawing option. Here you will see Brush option. Click on it. And select the color box here. And click on Dropper symbol. And point the color where the website name is present. And simply apply the color where the Placeit name present. Now click on the right symbol and save the image into your gallery. You can see here the image quality is very good, and you can share this logo to your friends and enjoy with the logo now. Wait, before closing this video, please like, if you are enjoyed this video. And leave a comment how this video helpful to you. And please subscribe to stay connected with us. And hit the bell icon to get notified of our new uploaded video. Thank you for watching.